Oh, okay, just kidding. I can't do that. I can't do it this way. Hold on. All right, redo. Pause. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing a first impressions on two eyeliners. And they are the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner and the Ofra Verified Black eyeliner. These are both liquid liners. These are both brush tips. They are both solid black matte eyeliners. They both claim to wear all day. I believe this one is 24 hours. This one just said all day. They are supposed to be waterproof, smudge proof, flake proof, fade proof, just everything proof. So we're going to wear them for about 8 hours and I am going to see if they really are and which one performed best. Now, based on my eyes, can you tell which one is which? I think they look exactly the same. Now, price point and product information. Too Faced is $21 and it has 0.02 fluid ounces. Ofra is $20, but I did use my code from Nikki Tutorials and saved a little bit of money. And this is $20 and is 0.04 ounces. So, based on that and the way that they perform, Ofra might be in your best interest over Better Than Sex. Now, this did bleed slightly when I put it on. I'm actually going to be applying it to the back of my hand, the hand I use the most, which is my right hand, throughout the day, to see how the wear and tear is on my hand versus my eyes, because I do wash my hands many times throughout the day. So if it can hold up to hand washing, then I think we're on the right track. Now what I'm going to do is to keep track of the ones on my hand is, do you remember how I had you guys guess which side was which? This is actually Ofra and this is Too Faced. So I'm going to hold my hand up here and this is going to be Ofra on this side and this is going to be Too Faced on this side. So I'm going to show you guys right now how they work. Just give them a little shake before you use any liquid liners. They are still drying, but while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and show you the tips of them. The Too Faced one, which is that pink one, actually has a longer brush tip. The Ofra one is much shorter, but the Ofra one seems to be a lot sharper. Here are the differences. I did put one coat each. This one is Ofra. This one is Too Faced. Too Faced might be slightly more shiny. Ofra Verified Black looks a little bit more on the matte side. So if you guys are interested in seeing how these perform, what I think of them, how long they wear, and any issues that I had with them, then just keep watching. So I am going to start by doing Ofra on this side and Too Faced on this side, but it is a wear test for both of them. Especially today, it's a great wear test because I have really watery eyes right now, so we'll see how this holds up. So I am going to start the Ofra side, so we're going to go ahead and shake it just because it is a brush tip and I just want to see how it does. Now, I have noticed that with this kind of formula, they tend to leak, so I do have a little cotton swab here so we can see if it does leak, and if it does, like how much, and you know, with the amount that you get, that could be significant. So for, oh yeah, yep. Oh dear. So first off, I am seeing that it does have some fluid at the bottom here. So right here on this end, oh yeah, do you see that? I'm just trying to get it off. I'm barely touching the tip, I was just touching this top part here. Okay. Alright, there's a little hair. Alright, so a little bit did come out. It's not that big of a deal. Oh, look you guys. The Ofra one spurted out again on the side. Do you see that little bubble there? I had to clean that off again. I don't like that. Why does it keep leaking everywhere? It's not cleaned up. Let me clean it up just a minute, because I did notice this formula bled down into some fine lines, which I'm not impressed with at all. And I'm also not impressed with the fact that it keeps leaking out of the top even if I'm not shaking it. So I have this wing done. Now I'm going to move on to the Too Faced side. So I'm going to shake it up. I'm going to get a new cotton round to see how this does. Just shake it up here. Alright, there is a tiny bit. If you look on the side here, there is the smallest amount that leaked out. Do you see it right there on the side? Other than that, it looks beautiful. I just wiped that off. Much better leaking wise. So upon application, this one did run into some fine lines. They both look exactly the same. They both look pretty matte. I don't see any shiny things anywhere on there, so that's good. They both glided on beautifully. They didn't wipe off if I were to, like, go over and do a second coat. It didn't like take the first coat off. There isn't any flaking as of right now, so it is around 11, and I am going to wear these until probably about 7 p.m. So it'll have a nice 8 hours of wear time in there. So we will see how they look in about 8 hours to see if they stand up to watering eyes, which this one definitely is. So Ofra is going to get a run for her money. Rubbing my eyes, scratching. So we'll see if this holds up to some hot weather, because I'm going to be outside on my porch hanging out today. So yeah, the next time you see me, we will see how this worked out. It is basically 7 p.m. So I have been wearing this eyeliner for roughly 8 hours, I think. And I am just showing you, we're gonna go hard. Let's see, like, details. So the corners of my eyes have both been watering constantly throughout the day. I've been having to dab a lot on the corners here with tissues. Like, even now they're still wet. So I don't know why they've been watering. My mascara has held up perfectly, but we'll see about this eyeliner. Now they both still look really beautiful and vibrant. They're still, nicely put together on the ends, but here's where the real issue is when we come in here, move my eyelashes to the side, and see here. Now there is, ooh, yeah, look at that. Do you see that? There's a whole chunk missing, and that is definitely from water. So this is not waterproof. Doesn't even seem like it's water resistant. I don't know, like that came off pretty easily after about 8 hours. So let's see this side. This is the Too Faced side. So let's move my lashes. And look here. Yep, that seemed to do the exact same thing. So they both did disappear in the corners of my eyes from them watering all day. However, they didn't seem to smudge or flake. They just seemed to just completely disappear. Honestly, I think if you wanted a more black one, the Too Faced one But Too Faced is slightly more shiny than Ofra. So you can base it off of that and I guess the prices. But here they are on my hand. This one is Ofra and this one is Too Faced. So you can see Too Faced is the more black one and the Ofra one is the less black one. I mean, I don't know. Which one disappeared more is the question. I think they both look exactly the same, you guys. They both applied the same. I think Ofra has a much skinnier tip, so I think I like the Ofra one for the tip of it, but the color, the performance, the application process, the price, I mean, I don't know. I think you guys make your own decision. Which one did you like better? Which one do you have? Do you have either of these? I would love to know. And have you put them to the test versus another eyeliner that you think works better? Also let me know. But you guys, I don't know. I think they're pretty much a tie for me. So, but that is all I have for this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!